Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Witty stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and how to work in the front loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. We're going to be working half double crochets into each stitch across, only using the front loops of our stitches. So if we look at the top, this loop right here, farthest away from us, is the back loop. This one right here, closest to us, is the front loop. So you're going to insert your hook into that front loop and work your half double crochet like normal. So again, this one right here, insert your hook, then make that half double crochet, just like that. So we're going to make half double crochet stitches into each stitch just using that front loop. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 slip stitch. You're now going to make 1 slip stitch into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 2 chains. So row 4 is going to be very similar to row 2. We're going to be working our half double crochet stitches into the front loops of our stitches, but we are not going to be working into the slip stitches from row 3. You're going to be using the front loops of the half double crochets from row 2. So it's going to be this loop right here, and just make a regular half double crochet like normal. So this loop, regular half double crochet like normal. This loop right here, regular half double crochet like normal. And you're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. And that's how row 4 is looking. To start row 5, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 regular single crochet. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 5 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 in order for however long you want your project. I will have all of the rows timestamped down below so they are easy to reference back to. And that is going to be how to make the Witty stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.